How to change language on Binance app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can change language on the Binance app. For that, you want to open the Binance app on your device. If you don't have this app, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Once you have opened the app, make sure to sign into your account. Once you have signed in using all of your credentials, this is going to be your home page. Now, as you can see, the language over here is English. Now, if you do not understand English or if it is in any other language and you want to change this in a different language, then what you want to do is tap on this icon at the top of your screen, and that's going to open up your profile. Now here you have different options. You want to tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on this option, the settings menu is going to appear. Here you have different categories such as general, appearance, payment, and others. You want to get to the general category. Here you have different options like notification preference, currency, language, withdrawal address, BNB discount. Tap on the option of language. As you can see, it is currently set to English. Here on Binance, you have different other languages that you can choose from. For now, these are the available languages. Now, if you want to change it into any other language, you simply want to tap on your preferred language, or you can also tap on the search bar and then search for your preferred language. Once you have found the language that you prefer, simply tap on that. Now, it will take some time for the details to be loaded, and as you can see, the language of Binance has been changed into your preferred language, in my case Portuguese. Now you can change it to any other language by following the same process as well. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.